Alright, so now we're on part 2, and what we're going to be doing is we're now going to start building the adventure so that we've got some text in there. This is going to be a text adventure where people are going to be making decisions about which way they go, what they do, and that will all have an impact on whether they survive the adventure or die, or whether they gain experience points or not. So we're going to be adding some text. I've already written my text in a Word document, and all I'm going to do is sort of copy and paste this in here. But first of all, if you remember, we already taught you how to use the triple speech marks so that you can actually put in text the way you want it to be seen on the screen. So we're going to start off with the print command, obviously opening and closing brackets, and the speech marks, but this time there's going to be 3 sets of speech marks, okay, on each side. I've already, as I say, I've already written my text, so I'm just going to copy and paste that in here. A little bit of a cheat, I know, but there you go. Okay, I'm going to have to rearrange my speech marks, but that's not a problem. But what I've said is you find yourself in a cave. The floor of this cave is knee deep in water, and beneath I'm going to actually put a new line there. So we're going to say, comma, beneath the inky black of the water is something shiny. You walk towards the shiny object. Now, it's going to be up to the person exactly what they do, whether they decide to pick it up, to leave it alone, or to look a little bit closer. So we're going to be linking in the print command with the text that we've actually got here. Let's make sure that this works. I'm going to use the debug tool. I'm going to take this tick out of the box because that little box annoys me no end. And we'll see. So what is your adventurer's name? We already know that I'm called Arthur. Welcome, Arthur, to the ghastly gloom of Door adventure. Now it goes into you find yourself in a cave. So that's nice. That's sort of bringing you into the story, and now we have a time where we actually have to make a choice. And this choice is going to decide whether we gain any experience points or lose any hit points. So can you make sure you do that? And then before we go on to the next video, I'd like you to actually come up with some choices. So me, for example, I've got beneath the black water is something shiny. You walk towards the shiny object. What happens next? So in your introductory text to your story, think about something and then think about 3 different options that could potentially take place. It could be like with the ghost game, there could be 3 doors in front of you. Which door do you choose? Door number 1, door number 2, or door number 3? For me, I'm going to go more down the lines of, am I going to look more closely at the object? Am I going to pick it up, or am I going to continue walking? So have a go at that, and we'll catch up with you in the next video.